Plant FAQs, Catalpa ovata. Catalpa ovata, a fast-growing ornamental beauty with fragrant flowers. Hi, Ferbu here. Today we're diving into the world of Catalpa ovata, also known as the Chinese catalpa or yellow catalpa. This stunning tree has captured my attention with its fast growth, beautiful blooms, and overall ease of care. If you're considering adding a pop of color and fragrance to your landscape, the Catalpa ovata might be the perfect choice. But before you head to the nursery, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this lovely tree. What is Catalpa ovata? The Catalpa ovata is a small, deciduous tree native to western China. It's known for its rapid growth, reaching heights of 20 to 30 feet, 6 to 9 meters, with a wide, spreading crown. The star of the show, however, are the captivating flowers. In late spring to early summer, the Catalpa ovata produces showy panicles of white-yellowish, bell-shaped flowers with orange and purple markings inside. These fragrant blooms not only add a touch of elegance to your garden, but also attract bees and butterflies, creating a vibrant ecosystem. The leaves of the Catalpa ovata are equally impressive. Broad and ovate, egg-shaped. They come in a light green shade and can grow up to 10 inches long and wide. While some leaves remain entire, others develop 3 to 5 lobes, adding a touch of textural interest. How to care for Catalpa ovata. The Catalpa ovata is a relatively low-maintenance tree, making it ideal for busy gardeners like myself. Here's what you need to know to keep your Catalpa ovata thriving. Sunlight. Plant your Catalpa ovata in a location that receives full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. This will ensure optimal growth and flowering. Soil. The Catalpa ovata is adaptable to various soil types, but thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic to slightly alkaline soil. Watering. Water your Catalpa ovata regularly, especially during its first year of establishment. Once mature, it's fairly drought-tolerant, but will appreciate occasional deep watering during extended dry periods. Fertilizing. You can fertilize your Catalpa ovata in early spring with a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth and flowering. However, it's not essential, and the tree can do well without it. Pruning. While not strictly necessary, you can prune your Catalpa ovata in late winter or early spring to maintain its desired shape and remove any dead or diseased branches. How to propagate Catalpa ovata. If you'd like to expand your collection of Catalpa ovata trees, there are 2 main methods for propagation. Seed. Propagating Catalpa ovata from seeds is a straightforward process. Collect mature seed pods in fall once they turn brown and split open. Extract the seeds, store them in a cool, dry place over winter, and sow them directly outdoors in spring after the danger of frost has passed. Softwood cuttings. Take softwood cuttings in late spring or early summer before the new growth hardens. Select healthy stems with a few leaves attached, and dip the cut ends in rooting hormone before planting them in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect sunlight. With proper care, your cuttings should root within a few weeks. What to plant with Catalpa ovata? The Catalpa ovata's vibrant blooms and wide canopy make it a great focal point in your landscape. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Spring flowering bulbs. Plant daffodils, tulips, or crocuses under the Catalpa ovata to create a colorful spring display. Summer blooming perennials. Complement the Catalpa ovata's flowers with vibrant perennials like daylilies, phlox, or coneflowers. Shrubs. Create a layered look by planting shrubs like hydrangeas or viburnums under the Catalpa ovata. Final thoughts. The Catalpa ovata is a captivating addition to any landscape. Its fast growth, fragrant flowers, and attractive foliage make it a low-maintenance tree that offers year-round beauty. With proper care, this versatile tree will reward you with a stunning display for years to come. So, if you're looking for a fast-growing, ornamental tree with a touch of elegance, the Catalpa ovata might be your perfect match. Happy planting!